It's the last day of the Ganeshotsav and that time of the year when devotees bid farewell to their loved elephant god. Ganpati Visarjan, or the ceremony in which idols of Lord Ganesha immersed in water takes place today, and the focus of course is Mumbai, where several street processions are being taken out throughout the city before the idols are immersed. Devotees are thronging various temples and pandals to offer prayers before the ceremony later in the day. Estimates by the city police say they are expecting about 90,000 idols to be immersed.
बाइट लेने के लिए बोलना किसी को। हाँ?
All right, these are visuals that you can see on your television screens of Brett Lee over there. All right, Vidya is joining us now with more details from Girgaon Chowpatty. Vidya, what are the scenes like across Girgaon Chowpatty? The immersions have already started.
Well, it certainly has. When I spoke to the BMC controls just some time back, they said that approximately 1,000 idols across the city have already been immersed. In fact, the bigger Ganpatis have also been, from the mandals that we see, that the huge Ganpatis that come in. Well, some of them also have been immersed, but the larger figure that we will be seeing will eventually be in the evening. But as you can see right behind me, there is certainly a huge crowd that has already congregated at the
Girgaon Chowpatty. We just now saw Brett Lee, the Australian skipper. He was also here some time back just to see, take a look at the entire color and the fervor that we see during the entire festival. Not just Lee, but we have been seeing a lot of foreigners also do come in to exactly see and feel the entire fever that Mumbai feels for the last 10 days, which culminates in Ganesh Visarjan today.
Right. And absolutely, Vidya, with so many people out, what are the security preparations like?
Well, certainly thousands of Ganpati, since lakhs of people will be congregating at the immersion points. So certainly, immersion points is somewhere where Ganpati, the entire security is in place. But if you will see, it's not just here at Girgaon Chowpatty, but across the city that we have been seeing, whether it's those roads that Ganpati idols will be taking, or the Ganpati immersion grounds like here at Girgaon, where the entire congregation will be happening. Well, it's at all these places that we will be seeing security, and not just with policemen being stationed here. Apart from the thousands of Mumbai police, there will be traffic policemen, there will be SRPF, the riot control police. Just about everyone from the Mumbai and adjoining areas are pitching in to see to it that people in Mumbai have a secure and a safe Ganpati immersion day.